Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class exercise 5.1 question number 4. Prove that the function f of x is equal to x power n is continuous at x equal to n, where n is a positive integer. Okay? Here question number 4, f of x is equal to x power n. Okay, here at x equal to a is given what x equal to n. It is my at point. Okay, therefore here solution you have to do in general form. Okay, here limit x tends to a. Here is my a is nothing but x equal to n, therefore a equal to n. Therefore f of x, again limit x tends to n. My function f of x is nothing but x power n. Okay, therefore here while applying limit you should remove the limit, only substitute the value in x, therefore n power n. Okay, this is my limit general form. Okay, therefore limit f of a, here in the place of f of a, here you should substitute x equal to n, therefore f of n. F of n is nothing but here in the place of x you should substitute n, therefore here it is n power n. Okay, therefore these two are equal. Limit general form, limit x tends to n, f of x is equal to f of n equal to n power n, therefore here it is continuous functions. Okay, therefore here it is continuous function. Next, finally you should write here n is nothing but is a positive integers. It is given. Okay, the given you should write. Okay, n is a positive integers. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 4. Next, question number 5. Is the function f defined by f of x is equal to x if x less than or equal to 1, 5 comma if x greater than 1, continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2. Here you have to find individually whether the given function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Next, the given function is continuous or discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, similarly at x equal to 3. Okay, I am taking question number 5. Given f of x is equal to x if x less than or equal to 1. Okay, 5 comma if x greater than 1. Okay, here minus 1, 0, plus 1. Okay, less than means minus 1, minus 0, this is my less than. Here it is x. Greater than 1 का मतलब here 2, 3 up to plus infinity, here the value is 5. Okay, now you have to check the given function is continuous or not at x is equal to 0. Okay, here at point is given, therefore you have to check in general form. Here limit x tends to 0. Okay, f of x, here limit x tends to 0, in the place of f of x, here less than or equal to 1, because here only 0 lies. Okay, therefore here I am taking x. Now I am substituting my limit. X tends to 0, therefore in the place of x you should substitute 0, therefore it is 0. Okay, next f of a. F of a is nothing but at point is given. This is my a. Okay, therefore here f of 0 is nothing but in the place of x here you should substitute 0. Okay, therefore these two are equal. Finally you should write limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to f of a is equal to 0. Okay, therefore here it is, finally you should write it is continuous at x equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, here it is the given function is continuous. Okay, next at x is equal to 1, here you should find. Now at x is equal to 1, here the given function f of x equal to x if x less than or equal to 1, 5 if x greater than 1. Okay, therefore here finding you should check the left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of a. If it is satisfied comes all values equal, then here it is continuous, otherwise it is discontinuous function. Okay, for checking left hand limit formula is nothing but limit x tends to a minus f of x. Here limit x tends to my at point is x is equal to 1. At the value of x equal to 1 you have to check whether the function is continuous or not continuous. Okay, therefore in the place of a here it is 1, therefore 1 minus. 1 minus in the sense you have to take the value less than 1, therefore here I am taking x because here it is less than 1, therefore finally you have to substitute the limit. Here it is 1. Okay, next right hand limit. Right hand limit is nothing but limit x tends to a plus f of x. Okay, here limit x tends to a is nothing but my 1 plus f of x. My given function here it is 5. Okay, for greater than 1 here it is 5, therefore I am taking 5. There is no x to substitute the value, therefore here 5. You can see clearly left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Okay, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x not equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Therefore here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, therefore here it is discontinuous. Okay, the given function is discontinuous. Next, here at x equal to 2 you have to check. Okay, see why I am taking here x is equal to 1, I am taking left hand limit and right hand limit because here only x less than or equal to 1, x greater than 1. Okay, at that point only here it is changing. Okay, for here y equal to 1, here y equal to 5. Okay, here only changing, therefore I am taking this. Okay, at point only. Okay, otherwise here x is equal to 2, here you can take general form limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. This is my general. You can take this for x is equal to 2, because here 2 is greater than, here x is greater than 1, therefore here 2 to 1 2 3 up to plus infinity the same value is 5 only, therefore we can take x is equal to 2. Okay, here therefore limit x tends to 2 f of x, here limit x tends to 2, in the place of f of x here 2 is greater than 1, therefore you have to take 5, therefore 5, here there is no x, therefore we cannot apply limit, here it is 5 only. Okay, next f of a, in the place of a you should substitute 2, here 2 is greater than 1, therefore here it is 5 alone. Okay, here also you can take the left hand limit and the right hand limit, but here I am taking the left hand limit 1.9. Okay, left hand limit 1.9 also greater than 1, therefore you will get 5. Okay, if I take greater than 1, okay, right hand limit, therefore here also 2 plus means here 2.3 2.1, you will get the same 5, so that only I am not taking here left hand limit and right hand limit, but at point x is equal to 1, here it is very very important. Okay, you have to check the left hand limit and right hand limit. Okay, I hope you all understood the question. Therefore here it is, finally you should write it is continuous function at x is equal to 2. Okay, here it is discontinuous function at x is equal to 1. I hope you all understood the question. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel.